Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and post text on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the plus icon at the top of your profile screen. A menu will pop up. Select Post from here. A new screen will appear showing all the photos from your device's gallery. Choose a photo to use as the background for your text. I recommend picking a plain and clear image for the best result. Once you've selected your background, tap the Next button at the top. Now, you can zoom in on the image using 2 fingers to highlight the area you want as your text background. When you're happy with the background, tap on the text icon at the top of the screen. If you don't see this option, you may need to update your Instagram app, as this feature is gradually rolling out. Next, type in the text you want to post, whether it's a quote, status, or announcement. You can choose from different font styles and even change the text and background color. Just tap the color icon to pick the color you like. Once you're satisfied with your text, tap Done. Then, you'll see filter options at the bottom of the screen. Select one to change the look of your image. Finally, tap Next at the bottom. Add your caption, hashtags, and tag anyone if needed. Once you're ready, hit share to post it on your Instagram. And that's it. You've now shared your text-based content with your followers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.